Hello guys! Ayan. Wala tayong, I didn't put any makeup today. And then we're going to, I decluttered my jewelry. I collecting lots of bling bling. And I will put in here to wear, and this side is to give away or send it in the Philippines. Okay, first thing, ayan, I put it here on my unicorn I don't know, I forgot what do you call that one. This one is a Mimco, I don't know, it's like a necklace, it's like this, but I never wear this for long time because I don't know how to style it, because it's like that. I think it is like that, and then it's like a choker, something like that. It's too tight. It is like that. I got a wound in here because I think I got an allergy. That's why I got something here. Yeah, it is like this, but I never wear this for long time, and then it's been sitting here. I think I better to put it away because I'm not gonna wear this one. Ang ganda pa naman. It's really nice. It's a Mimco brand. And next, I will keep this one because this is my Mimco. I think my husband bought this one for me. Yep. Put in here. Second, this one, I think I will keep this one. It is a nice necklace, a chunky. It's like this, like gift. And this one, yeah, it's really cute, but I didn't use this one. I think I better to give